Hi guys, I recently bought this Hawkins Contura black pressure cooker. Let's see its unboxing and review. MRP of this 1.5 liter cooker is 1625, but I got it for rupees 1462 from Amazon at 10% discount. And the cooker comes in a well packaged sturdy cardboard box. Inside you will find the pressure cooker securely wrapped. In the box we have included item one cookbook, one vent weight, one pressure cooker lid, and this rubber gasket and the pressure cooker body. This cooker comes with 5 years of warranty, and this has only gas compatible option. It's not induction compatible, but it is dishwasher safe. It's only this much depth, half of my hand. It has anodized surface inside which is scratch resistant, so you can use any spatula, and it has a flat base which gives even heat distribution. Diameter of the base is 130 mm, base thickness is 3.25 mm. The cooker feels sturdy and its weight is 1 kg 360 gram. Ideal weight. Design. The black exterior gave a sleek modern look. It has mirror polish on the exterior side. The curved body look really good, and it is made up of aluminium, 60 micron thick hard. Lid body is stainless steel. It's strong and steady. The handles are ergonomic and provide a good grip. Here you see the movement here. This is a feature of advanced design. Nothing to worry about. Do not try to tighten the bar, and it's absolutely normal. The non-stick interior add convenience when it comes to cleaning. Capacity, it's 1.5 liters, so which is perfect for a family of two, but you can cook only for two people, like this a bowl of rice. That's the only drawback. If you have guests coming at home, you may have to cook in two times. So overall, this heats up quickly, maintains pressure well, and if you are cooking for two people, this cooker will serve you well. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.